Hi guys! Got a small package from China. One of those follow the line robots. So let's see what's inside. Ton of bubble wrap. Okay, but it's a do-it-yourself kit. Let's see what's inside. PCB board, whole bunch of elements, motors, wheels. There's probably some manual. Yep. One thing about the manual though, it's gonna be rather complex. As you can see, all the resistors are fitted. I had a small problem with determining the values of these. You gotta remember all those color-coded strips. Tried on the internet to look them up, but I found a cool application for the iPhone. It's called Resistor. And I downloaded a trial version, which is free for 7 days. And as you will see in the screenshot, when you put the camera over the resistors, it'll show you the values. Although with this luminescent light I have here, the colors are a bit distorted, so you have to look at the strips which the program guessed and move around the camera so it matches exactly what's on the resistor, and that way you'll get the exact value. So without much ado, let's get on with soldering. Got my trusted soldering iron from AliExpress. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Okay, so there was just a few mysteries in assembling this. One of them was the LEDs. There were 3 green ones and 3 red ones. I decided to put the green ones on the side, red one in the middle, and the 2 red ones here with the photoresistors for sensing the track. So as you can see, there's one LED left over. Also with a motor polarity, it wasn't documented anywhere, but as you can see, the top connector from the motor goes to the external lead here with a minus. The other one near the bottom goes to the one closer to the motor, and it's the same on the other side. The top one, you have a red wire here, it goes to the external minus terminal, and the bottom one, the dark brown, goes to the plus. So that's pretty much it. Pretty cool toy. If you like it, you can find the link below to the AliExpress offer. A great evening, fun project. So that's it for now. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.